We'll guide you through how to update file on Dropbox. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by turning on your computer and allowing the operating system to fully load so the system is ready for use. Once the computer is running connected to the internet using your preferred connection such as Wi-Fi or a wired network, and confirm that the connection is stable. After the connection is active, open your web browser from the desktop taskbar or Applications menu. In the browser address bar, type the Dropbox website address and load the page. When the site appears, click the Login button to access your account. Enter your Dropbox email address in the email field, then type your account password carefully in the password field. Click Login to continue and wait while the Dropbox dashboard finishes loading on the screen. After the dashboard appears, open the Files section so you can view your stored content. Browse through your folders and locate the file that you want to update. Take a moment to check the file name to ensure it is the correct document. Next, open the folder that contains the file so you can prepare to replace it. On your computer, prepare the updated version of the file you want to upload and confirm that the new file has the same name as the original. Return to the Browser tab that contains your Dropbox account. Click the Upload button and choose the File Upload option from the menu that appears. Navigate through your computer's file window, find the updated file, and select it. Click the Open button to begin uploading the file to your account. Dropbox will start uploading the file immediately. When this message appears, choose the Replace option to confirm that the new file should overwrite the old one. Once the upload is done, Dropbox updates the file version automatically while keeping the file in the same folder location. Finally, open the file from the folder to confirm the update and review the latest changes to make sure everything uploaded correctly. Your Dropbox file is now updated. Refresh the page if necessary and verify the timestamp reflects the recent upload. Close the browser when finished and safely continue working with the updated file as needed.